there are my Florida grapefruit plants. And that little thing in the middle there now, that is a date palm growing. That little thing in the orange red pot, that's a date palm. And the rather battered looking tomato plant is, I think, now in its 4th year, with a tomato on it down there. You can probably just about see it. One single tomato. Raspberries growing up against the house. Just coming into flower. And the drain rods I used yesterday on the ground there. To use those to unblock the drains. For the 2nd time this year. And the apple trees, unfortunately, with hardly any apples on them at all, because they didn't flower at the same time, and they need to flower at the same time to pollinate each other. And because they didn't, they haven't done. So I think I'm going to be cutting that tree back this year a bit. No, it's not going to shoot any fruit on it. I'm surprised this is still going. It would have stopped by now.